Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. For today's hike, we'll be visiting Big Creek in the Olympic Mountains. The Big Creek Loop is located near Lake Cushman and begins at Big Creek Campground. All told, we'll be hiking 4.3 miles round trip, gaining 850 feet in elevation and topping out at 1,850 feet. From Big Creek Campground, we'll be following the loop counterclockwise. We cross the first of several bridges. This bridge was just rebuilt by dedicated volunteers of the Mount Rose Trail Crew. We pass the junction with the Mount Eleanor Connector Trail and stay on the Big Creek Loop Trail. It's pretty much all downhill from here on out. That's all for now. See you next time.